Hey, what's up? Uh-oh. Hey, what's up? Here's a little song that I came on, that I made up on the spot. I think it sounds pretty cool. So let me go ahead and play for you. Let me try it one more time. So let me go ahead and show you guys how to play this cool little riff that I just made up. So you're gonna bar the three first frets on the what fret is this? I believe the 12th fret. So you're gonna bar the last three, the first or the last, depending on how you look at it. So it's gonna be Goodbye Eddie, G, B, E. So it's gonna be, and then you do the same rhythm over here. You move down 5, so you're on the 7th fret. So, and then you're gonna do basically the same three strings. You're still working with the same strings, but you're moving down to the 5th fret, and instead of just barring them, you're gonna go ahead and form like a little, like a little, how do I explain it? So you put your finger right here on the G, B, and E, like a 3 triad like that, and it's gonna change the noise slightly. So it's gonna, and you move that up to where you were just playing that three top strings. So fast and all together, it's gonna sound like this. Alright guys, that's a song that I just made up on the spot right there. So hopefully you like that little riff, and yeah, just keep practicing, and I'm still getting better, so who knows, one day something might happen. Just stay positive guys, and stay safe out there. Have a good day. Bye bye.